All right, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I'll appreciate it tremendously. I'm trying to grow my channel, you guys. Also, leave a comment below. All right, today I have a Nissan, and I'm going to show you how to reset the automatic feature on the windows. As you can see right here, these are the window knobs right here. I'm going to show you how to reset those buttons. Now, what you're going to do is you want to turn on your car to the on setting or to the accessory mode. I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on. So as you can see, I'm going to press brake and start the vehicle. All right, the vehicle is on, and now I'm ready to get started with resetting the auto feature. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure the window is closed. If it's not, I'm going to close it all the way and to make sure it's closed. Now that it's closed, I'm going to open the window all the way, and when I open it, I'm going to keep my finger on the button when the window's completely down for 10 seconds. Let's go ahead and do it. All right, so I'm going to press the driver's side window all the way down, just like that, and I'm going to hold it for 10 seconds. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And after 10 seconds, I'm going to close the window all the way up, hold it like this, and wait for it to go all the way up, and hold it and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And after 10 seconds, I'm going to release it and test it out to see if it works. Press it down to see if the automatic feature works. You see it works going down, and then do it for going up, and voila. Let me know if you have any questions.